Hello friends, today in this video I will show you how to insert roller coaster symbol in world. So you can very easily insert this symbol, roller coaster symbol in world very easily. So firstly you need to click on insert and you see this last option symbol. Click on it. Now more symbols, just click on it. And now here need to font select this one. Now need to type this character code. Character code is 1F3A2. So I need to type this character code and click on insert. And now close it. So you see this very easily you can insert this roller coaster symbol in world. So this way you can very easily insert. So thanks for watching this video. Please comment this video and subscribe this channel for more useful videos. Thanks for watching again.